Our bodies are complex and intricate systems that require proper care and attention. While we often focus on external health and appearance, it's crucial not to overlook the well-being of our internal organs, including the colon. The colon, also known as the large intestine, plays a vital role in our digestive process. Let's explore why keeping our colon clean is essential for overall health and well-being. A healthy colon ensures regular bowel movements, preventing common digestive issues such as constipation or diarrhea. By maintaining a clean and well-functioning colon, we can experience smoother and more comfortable digestion, avoiding the discomfort and bloating that can arise from irregularity. While fruits are generally considered beneficial for digestive health, it's important to note that the concept of cleaning or detoxifying the colon is not scientifically supported. However, certain fruits can contribute to overall colon health by providing fiber and essential nutrients. Here are 5 fruits that are known for their high fiber content and potential digestive benefits. 1. Apples. Apples are rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help regulate bowel movements and promote healthy digestion. The skin of apples contains pectin, a type of fiber that acts as a natural laxative. 2. Berries. Berries such as raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries are excellent sources of dietary fiber. They are also packed with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that can support digestive health. 3. Kiwi. Kiwi fruit is known for its high fiber content, particularly soluble fiber. It also contains an enzyme called actinidin, which aids in digestion by breaking down proteins. 4. Oranges. Oranges are a good source of dietary fiber, especially when consumed with the pulp. They also provide vitamin C, which can support overall immune function and contribute to a healthy digestive system. 5. Papaya. Papaya is rich in fiber, particularly a type called Papain. Papain is an enzyme that helps break down proteins and may aid digestion. It also contains antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that support gut health. Remember, maintaining a healthy colon involves a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and staying hydrated. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice or any concerns about your digestive health.